Hi there, this is a quick demo of how the advanced Mailchimp template works. You can do everything over here, it's much easier. First of all, once you've started a new campaign and you've brought in this template, you'll see this, it'll look like this. You've got your date up here, which is automatic. That is first name of each person, will be automatic as well. But all you do is you click here to edit this bit and it shows this to you here. So you go welcome to our newsletter. So you can put whatever content you want in there, save and close that, and it changes it here. Now what we next do is we add a new section, and as you're hovering over this one, you'll have the ability to add a new section below it. So we click plus. It'll add the same section again, which is fine, because then you can use this drop down to change it to whatever you want here. So we're going to add a featured story section like this, and it changes it to that. Now we're going to want this to be the latest story that we've used on the site, so I'll just quickly show you how to do this. A lay conference story, we're going to copy that there. That title, going to go in here and then click this here. Now you can delete all of the text there, but I would always paste as plain text, which is this little button here, paste as plain text. You paste that in there. You can't see it because it's white. As you can see, if I select it, you can see that it's all white. Click OK, and then it puts it in the correct text. Click save and close again, and that's done. We want to do the same. We're going to copy this introduction here to help tease someone and suggest that they, so hopefully they'll want to read more. Copy this bit of text here. Going to go back over to here, click on this introduction area, the summary. We'll do the same thing and get rid of that. I'm going to paste it in again as plain text, like this. Click OK. You can see it comes in nicely there. Now, very importantly, we're going to want to change the link as well. Because this is white on a coloured background, again, it's invisible, but you can see it there. It says read more. If I select all of that, I'm going to click on the link button above there, and it wants the web address. Now this is where I come in here back into the site, and I would copy that address from there, and I'm going to paste it into here like that. I'm going to click insert, and that's the button looked after too. Lastly, we need to do the image. What you'll notice when you hover over any of the images, it'll suggest that it wants a specific width. That's very, very important. You need to resize your image to this, or it's not going to work correctly in software like Outlook, which is a bit archaic. So we're going to edit this image here, and we're going to replace it with another one here. So I'm going to click replace. It's going to give me all these options. Now I have already uploaded the image from here into here, so I'm going to click that, and I'm going to insert it. Right, now it's already done the resizing of this image for you, but it's very important that you do that. And the way to do that is when because it's very likely that the image you've uploaded will be bigger than this. So you would click edit, and then in here you've got the ability to crop it. So if you're going to crop the image to make it longer, like I have done, if you notice the original image was a wider one, I've cropped it. You would unlock the dimensions, and then you have the ability to crop to any size that you want, like this, into the image. Already done that, so you would then save that first of all, and then come back in and then resize it to 200 width. So you just need to remember that width as you do this. Already done that, so that's fine. So that's already 200. We want to make sure that the alt tag, which is for accessibility, will be the same as well. So I'm going to edit that. I want to put a lay, or even come back in here and copy that title again. If you don't do this, it can be marked as spam, so it's very important to do the alt text there, lay conference story. Right, so I'm going to save and close that. That's that section done now. Now I might want to add another one. Careful not to change this one. You would want to click the plus again, and then you can add further sections. So hover over it again, and then you can choose from all of these. So what I could possibly do here is add a news 2-column section. So if I click this, you'll see that that now changes to a news section like this. We can do exactly the same things that we've already discussed. Note that 300 image width, title, link, summary. You can also add new rows. You'll notice that this doesn't give you the option to change the type of panel. This would actually allow you to create a new row by clicking plus, like that. So you could have more items like this, and that you'll find that in repeating sections. So resources, courses, events allow you to add as many as you want to, or you could intersperse them under the same heading. Everything's editable, even the heading's editable, so you can change the use for each section, but we have, you know, essentially kind of created some automatic colors for you already. So that's it really. I suppose one other really useful function is that you can reorder the sections. So you can drag a section, but if you look for this drop block here, that little icon there is how you move it. The little up down icon when you're hovering over that section. So I'm going to put it back now to drop block here. And there we are. That's it.